How much yeast is in a package? Our Better Homes and Gardens cookbook calls for 1 package active dry yeast in its pizza recipe, which is less than helpful, since we keep a container of bulk yeast in the freezer. What is the standard volume, e.g., in teaspoons, of yeast in a package?
According to Red Star, see link. 1. A very common yeast brand in the U.S. The strip contains 3 packets. Each packet in the strip is considered 1 package. Each package contains 1/4 of an ounce, or 2 1/4 teaspoons of yeast. This is approximately 7 grams, or 11 milliliters. This is representative of all of the U.S. brands. As far as measuring yeast, I use instant yeast, rather than packets. I have a Tupperware tub of year that's been in my freezer for about 15 years. It shouldn't be viable, but it is. The equivalent of 1 packet of yeast is 2 1/4 teaspoons. Since my yeast is so old, I use 1½ tablespoons, sometimes more, and I get wonderful bread out of my almost 25-year-old bread machine. I hope this helps.